Does the bumper pad on the rear of your truck look like this, where it's not completely damaged, but it's definitely not pretty? Or, even worse, does it look like this, where it's broken, bent, and definitely unsafe? Well, fixing this is going to be a lot easier than you might think. And just so you know, if you need this or any other part, check us out at oneauto.com. So let's talk about it. Let's start with the side that is not as damaged. As you can see here, it's pretty chiseled up, it's scuffed up. Is it safe? Well, yes and no. It's safe because it's clearly still held on properly. It's tight on there, it's not gonna fall off. But these sharp edges here, well, they're catching my glove, so it could, unfortunately, cut you if you put your hand here or you walk past and maybe one of these catches your leg. So in that aspect, it's not safe. Could you somehow fix this? Yeah, sure, but it's not great still. On this side, however, it's a slightly different story. There is some structural damage when it comes to this bumper pad here. The bumper itself is fine, but as you can see, this is broken, it's split here, this is not even secured on, and looking on the underneath of it, this clip is ripped off, this one's ready to break, so it's not even gonna stay on if you try to clip it on. The hazard here is, well, let's say you go to step on this pad to get up in the bed, load something up, well, that's a slipping hazard, and well, it won't end very well. Especially if this is a work truck that you have, and this bumper pad gets caught often, either by machinery or loading stuff up, hooking up trailers. You need this on here because you need this to be a safe surface for you to climb up in the bed on. A lot of people might think that you actually need to replace the entire rear bumper assembly in order to fix this issue, but you actually don't. As you can see over here, well, as you saw earlier, the plastic part is just clipped into the steel part of the bumper, which is this. If you don't need to replace this, why would you just replace the plastic piece? In most cases, all you have to do is take a pry bar or something to pry with and pop the clips out, take out the 2 license plate light lenses. Occasionally, you'll have the lock for the spare tire here. Most trucks will not have this. It's usually for higher up trim models. If you do, you'll have to pop that out, and that's it. The whole entire plastic pad should come right out. Once you have the plastic piece off, just inspect the metal part of the bumper, make sure there's no rot. We have some surface rust here, but that's fine. I'm gonna get all the sand and debris off of here, wipe it clean, and we'll be ready to install the new bumper pad. And once you line up the new bumper pad assembly, pop it down, make sure it's secured on all the clips, put your license plate light assemblies back in, and the spare tire lock if you had one. So that's how easy it is to replace the rear bumper pad. Hope this video helped you out. If you have anything to say, leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you can stay up to date with all of our latest content. What did I say the first time when you weren't recording? Should have recorded it. In this video, wait. If you need this, oh, you can't cover that with B-roll. That's just bad. On this story, what? In this story, it's a different side. To fix this issue,